Introducing Senior Executive Vice Chairman, Alec Chan.
Good afternoon. My name is Alec Chan.
Just in case some of you are new today and you just joined the company, you don't know me, I do a quick introduction. I came from Hong Kong as an engineer and then I worked in Hong Kong and Philippines in Cebu. And then after that, they sent me from Cebu into California. And then at that time, I came here as a poor engineer. And then my mom said, hey, Alec, you go to United States and you have no money. So my mom loaned me $100,000. And then I didn't know anything about stock. So I listened to my coworker. My coworker said, you can put the $100,000 in and make a lot of money. You can retire. So he sold me the dream. I put the money in. I lost everything in 1 year. My mom's money. See? If you lose your mom's money, what happened? My mom called me saying, Alec, you settled already? I said, I settled already. And my mom said, what's the $100,000? I say, I put it into CD. She said, how soon you get it? I say, 10-year CD. She was 76. We had 10 more years, she's 86. This is how I get through it. I say, okay, mom, don't worry, there's good interest. And I say 5% interest. I put it from my own pocket and pay. So that's at that time I was an engineer. So I say, how to make money to pay off. So I was a waiter. So I worked in 2 restaurants as a waiter. Still paying $3.25 an hour. $3.25 an hour. No way to make 100,000. So I think $3.25 I do 100 hours. So and then what to do. So I say at that time I say Christmas is so boring. We are going to a restaurant. Everybody go on vacation. I'm going to a restaurant. So and then I see the Christmas light tree. You know, 20, 30 years ago, you see the Christmas light tree is on and off, right? So boring. I said, why so boring? Why don't they chasing around? This is my original invention. But I don't know how to patent it. And I presented in the Las Vegas Consumer Show in 1997. 1987. At that time, I presented, somebody bought it, and then they stole my idea. So now in Christmas, you see the light trading, my original idea. I lost it. I lost $11 million. Then I have a second invention. You know, long time ago, you know that your mom know, okay? You know, when you walk, let's say your house have 4 phones in the house. When you talk upstairs in the bathroom, your mom always downstairs in the kitchen. Listen to you, right? So what you tell your mom, get the phone! So I have an invention. It's patented this time. My invention says, let's say your 5 phone. If any phone if you tell any phone, the other phone disabled. If you upstairs pick up the phone, other phone all disabled. Your mom cannot listen. If you're downstairs or upstairs, disabled. So I have that invention called the telephone privacy protector. Protect privacy, right? I need some money. Yeah. And after that, I pay my mom, and then still. Later on, you know there's a cell phone, right? Bought a cell phone. After there's a cell phone, they don't use a life anymore. So I'm no more business. New product, right? All have a cell phone. I mean, I say I'm no business, so I'm so depressed now. So how can I make enough money to pay my mom? So one day I was so depressed, and then I went to this store, talked to the owner, and they say, Alec, you want to make money? I say, yeah. What you do? He say, you want to sell life insurance? At that time, I was an engineer, skeptical. Whatever make money, I want it. I follow him to the briefing room. Sean was talking, and what happened? After they brought me to the room, and it disappeared. How many of you have the uplight disappear? A lot, right? So, and then I don't know who should I talk to. I have to call 411 to look for Sean in San Jose. How many Sean in San Jose? 100 of them. I call and call. Finally, somebody picked up the phone and say, "Who are you?" I said, "I'm your downline." This is how I find my outline. And let me show you what happened. The last 3 years, my production, personally. Oh, Emma, please. June to May, 3-year production, personal production point, 3.3 million. Net point, net means net. After charge back, net, okay, 3.3, okay. And you want to do 3.3, I just do like engineer. Sometimes you do big case, sometimes you do small case. My smaller case is what? Only $50. But my big case, I show you later. But you know what? The most But the most important part is you can put yourself in the field every single day. I see client breakfast, lunch, afternoon break, and dinner. Let me show you my schedule. I have 2 more minutes. This is my April schedule. April, I see, look, this is only 1 week, only 1 week. In this first week, I see 21 appointments. 21 in the first week. Second week, I have 12. You know, I don't have Saturday, Sunday. My Saturday, Sunday, when customer have no appointment, this is my Sunday. I'm a different Canada. I'm a UFO Canada. Look, American Canada. This is UFO. From UFO, okay? This is my Sunday. This is my Saturday. I ship. When there's no customer, I ship. 18 appointment. No, my day. This is my Sunday. This is my Monday. I've got an appointment in Bay City, San Francisco, South San Francisco, and then somewhere. This appointment to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 appointments on my Monday, which is your Sunday. And then the next week I have 13 appointments too. And then my Sunday is here. Okay? So I have total 64 appointments in April. Seatbelt on, please. Put in a seatbelt. In this April appointment, I do so many small fish, medium-sized fish, any kind of big customer. Some I do $50, some I make $20. I don't care. All I do is I want to see people. The more people you see, the more chance. Okay? Let me show you one case I did in April and approved. Ready? Seatbelt. As an SMD, more than $500,000 commission. I will get the check in July. Anybody single here? Stand up. Anybody single? Single. Single. kid to go to college. Pay the college tomorrow. Right? See? All you need to do is you have to see more people and find this one. You see that? Right? You know, every time I saw it, I say son. Good. Because I'm glad that son picked up the phone. What if he doesn't pick up the phone? I won't be here, right? So I'm glad he picked up the phone. You see that? Since I joined him, let me show you my production in my whole hierarchy. Ready? Sit down. Sit down. $250 million. This is up to last month. And I'm young and alive. I can make much more, right? I'm young and alive. I'm only 27 years old. No gray hair. What if you recruit me? Simple 5% over on my whole hierarchy, you make $12 million. I don't understand why the guy quit. You know, let me tell you a top secret, since Sean's not here. Sean's up like quit also. You see that? Sean up like quit too early. My up like quit too early. So many people still think this won't make $1 million, they up like quit too early. So make sure you don't quit in this business, okay? Good luck.